Hi guys, need to show in this video about how to do concrete driveway and do stamp work. You can see here they left it about 1.5 inches from the asphalt, and they did saw cut control joint next day. So that's concrete driveway stamp, and you can see control joint. There's one at the middle and another one each 10 foot. Okay, here you can see it went all the way down. Everything is good, and you can see they did the cure and seal, painted as a black. Here they painted the bricks white and black. You can see everything was red. I have some videos about this project. Everything was red, and then when they done, they painted. You can see they spray. You can see the bottom. They spray. Okay, guys. And here you can see they did like here control joint as a circle. Everything painted the gutters downspout black. Okay, here you can see garage work. That's metal cover garage opening. You can see everything is painted black and white. You can see electrical work, ceiling work, spotlight, line up straight. You have one here, one there. Everything is painted. Special door, high, like 8 foot high, and garage door. Here you can see. Here they will pour. Here will be like landscaping area, and you can see windows. Okay, you can see here the hardy. Everything is painted, and here the soffit wall, soffit, electrical work, gutter downspout, windows, electrical work. You can see, guys, and here again, that's how to do concrete stamp for driveways. It look like bricks or stone, but it is concrete work. You can see, and here you can see how they paint walls white and like everything here in this building will be white and black. Shingles to match shingles color. So if you like this video, guys, please like, subscribe. I will upload more videos about construction work. Thank you, guys. Bye.